Hey, and welcome to Alt 1 this Sunday morning. We are now going to run binary option robot Alpha Master. ChatGPT have made the settings for this robot, so have made me a lot of money since I did that. You can download this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also, in the end of the video, I'll show you the win rate, how much profit made, and all this good stuff. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. just like this Sunday morning, we have 5 trades, 80% win rate and $118 profit. Amazing. You can have this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see here and you can download this robot today. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.